Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So should we use hashtags on Instagram Reels or not? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my Instagram and we're going to look at a couple of different things. This will help you determine and decide whether you should use hashtags on Instagram Reels or not. First of all, here's my Instagram at alimirza2k. If you don't follow me, do that right now. And let's go to my Instagram Reels. And this is the last one I posted. I'm going to go under that and look at the more. And here are all the hashtags that I used. So I want to look under Dallas marketing right here. And look at this. So my Instagram Reels is ranking under that hashtag. Look at this under the top. How cool is that? Now let's go back. Let's pick another one, Dallas social media. And look at that. So my reel is also ranking under top for that hashtag. So which means I can get more reach, engagement, exposure, people from that hashtag on my account, right? So you should absolutely be using hashtags for your Instagram Reels, because if you do get ranked, Instagram Reels are getting ranked under different hashtags, and that you can attract more people, have more engagement, and grow your account and business on this platform. Now let's look at a bigger hashtag, social media marketing tip. And look at this. So that's not my reel, this is someone else's reel, but Instagram is giving Instagram Reels a special placement, I would say, under the hashtag. So we should absolutely be using, in my opinion, hashtags on Instagram Reels. Now let's look at something else too. I did this testing a while ago, and for some posts I did not use. So if you look at a lot of my engagement, it's in 1,000, 4,000, 1,000, 2,800. I've had, I think, as high as maybe 20,000 on some posts, 4,000. But I did some testing and there were a couple of posts. So for example, right here, I believe I did not use any hashtag. Look at this. So no hashtags, and this post only had 316, way below my average. So guess what? There are two lessons or two takeaways. Number one, by using hashtags on Instagram Reels, one, you get more reach and engagement, right? Number two is, if you do get ranked, you can potentially get ranked for those hashtags. If you pick the right hashtag, that's very important. If you don't pick the right hashtags, guess what? You may not get ranked. But if you do pick the right hashtag and use them, you can potentially get ranked and even get bigger exposure, more reach, and bigger growth for your account. Now, obviously, the next question is going to be, how do you pick the right hashtag? Now, the tool that I recommend for Instagram hashtag research is called Flick. And there are two reasons why I love this tool. Number one is you can find your hashtags very quickly. And number two is Flick takes the performance of your Instagram account and then recommends you hashtag based on that, which is very powerful in my opinion. Now let's log right into this tool and let me show you how this tool looks like from inside. So here's the internal dashboard, and my Instagram account is already connected right here. I'm going to activate suggested filters, and now let's do a quick search. So I'm going to, in my case, social media is my niche, so I'm going to search for social media, and let's see if we can find some hashtags for my account. And look at this. So first of all, here are the suggested filters from Flick, because Flick is able to look at my account, the past history, and how much engagement I get, what the size, and here are the best filters for my account. Now this is very important, because look at the total post filter, 5K to 429,000. Now if I was to use social media marketing, this is relevant to my account, but look at the size. There are 12 million posts. So if I was to use this, I may never get ranked, right? It may be useless hashtag for my account. So that's the power of using Flick. And by the way, I have a more detailed tutorial of how can you use Flick to do hashtag research and create different sets of 30 hashtags, and you can also save those and use them over and over again. I'm going to link to that in the description below, so make sure you check that tutorial as well. But this is why I love this tool. Let's do another one. Marketing. So I can search for multiple, and also these hashtags, again, they are relevant to marketing, but they are based on these filters. Let's do another one. So digital marketing. Hit enter. There you go. Right? Everything is based on or within these filters. Now, right now I'm looking at the group view. I can go to the table view, and then this will give me more data. Look at this. So the hashtag, the competition score, reach, daily average post count, average like, postmates, and then the average comments. And now what I do recommend, and which I cover in more detail in the video that I just mentioned, and it's linked in the description below, for smaller accounts, what I would suggest is when you do your searches, when you do your hashtag research, select between 10 to 15. Number one, use 30 hashtags. And number two, select 10 to 15 low competition keywords, and then maybe 8 to 10 medium competition, and then very few, maybe 2 to 3 high competition keywords. Because if you have a smaller account and then you have a low engagement, that's going to give you the best chance to get ranked on those. If you have a smaller account or low engagement, and if you select hashtags that are high competition, guess what? You may never get ranked, right? So that's why. But do watch that video right after this one, because I go through the strategy in more detail in that video. And also in the description below, I have my link to Flick.tech, which is my affiliate link. You can use that, or you can go directly to their website to use this tool for yourself. But hopefully you can see how powerful this tool is. Again, 2 reasons. 1, you can find your hashtags very quickly, and 2, the hashtags are not just random suggestions. They are based on your specific Instagram account. That's what I love about this tool. Now, if you guys have any questions about Instagram Reels or finding hashtags that you can use on Instagram Reels or Instagram feed posts, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.